Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method. You sell products. Are you ready to start an online business? Are you looking to earn money while working from? Are you ready to start an online business? Are you looking to earn money while working from home? In today's digital world, dropshipping is a popular business model that can help you achieve this goal. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method. You sell products online without holding inventory. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, you buy the product directly from a supplier. This way, you can focus on marketing and sales. Let's break down how to start dropshipping in 2025 into simple steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. Select products that interest you. Look for growing markets. Popular niches include beauty, fitness, and tech gadgets. Step 2. Research suppliers. Find reliable suppliers with good reviews. Platforms like AliExpress and Oberlo are great places to start. Step 3. Create your online store. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Customize your online store to attract customers. Step 4. Set your prices. Decide on your pricing strategy. Include product cost, shipping, and profit margin. Step 5. Market your store. Use social media, email marketing, and paid ads. Engage potential customers with valuable content. So, why is dropshipping a smart choice in 2025? The e-commerce market is growing rapidly. More people are shopping online than ever before. Plus, dropshipping has low startup costs. You can start with minimal investment and risk. Let's look at an example. Sarah found her niche in eco-friendly products. She researched suppliers and created her store. By leveraging social media, she attracted many customers. Sarah built a sustainable business with consistent sales. To summarize, dropshipping is a flexible way to start a business. Choose your niche, find suppliers, create your store, set prices, and market effectively. Remember, success takes time and persistence. Ready to start your dropshipping journey? Begin researching your niche today. Create your online store and take the first step. Your future as an online entrepreneur awaits. In summary, dropshipping presents a remarkable opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to carve out their space in the bustling e-commerce landscape. By following the outlined steps, choosing a niche, researching suppliers, creating an engaging online store, establishing a pricing strategy, and implementing effective marketing tactics, you are setting the stage for your success. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards can be significant. Embrace this chance to transform your vision into reality, and remember, every great entrepreneur started with a single step. The future of online business is at your fingertips, so don't hesitate to seize it. As you embark on this journey, keep in mind that continual education is key. Stay informed about industry trends, adapt to changing consumer behaviors, and refine your marketing strategies. Each step you take enhances your resilience and flexibility in the competitive online marketplace. Engage with online communities, seek feedback, and learn from both successes and setbacks. This proactive approach will not only bolster your skills but also strengthen your business foundation, making you better equipped to navigate the evolving landscape of dropshipping. As you dive deeper into the world of dropshipping, remember that building relationships is crucial. Establish strong communication with your suppliers to ensure timely delivery and quality products. This partnership will not only enhance your customer satisfaction but also contribute to the overall success of your business. Cultivating a loyal customer base is equally important. Focus on providing excellent service and addressing customer inquiries promptly. Regularly interacting with your audience through newsletters or social media will foster trust and encourage repeat purchases. Ultimately, the more you nurture your business connections and customer relationships, the more resilient your dropshipping venture will become, setting you up for long-term success. As you reflect on your dropshipping journey, it's essential to embrace the mindset of growth and adaptability. The digital landscape is in constant flux, with new tools and technologies emerging regularly. By maintaining a learning attitude and being open to change, you can harness these developments to enhance your operational efficiency and customer engagement. Remember, each challenge you face is a stepping stone toward improvement, and leveraging these experiences will empower you to refine your strategies. In the end, the success of your dropshipping business lies not just in your initial planning, but in your ongoing commitment to evolve and respond to the needs of your market and buyers. As you take the plunge into the world of dropshipping, remember to stay patient and persistent. Building a successful business takes time and effort. Your journey in dropshipping is just beginning, and with dedication, creativity, and an unwavering commitment, you can thrive in this dynamic market. As you step forward, keep the lessons learned close, embrace each opportunity, and let your entrepreneurial spirit guide you to achieve your business dreams. In 2025, the dropshipping landscape is more competitive than ever, but it also presents unique opportunities for those willing to put in the work. As you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, it's crucial to remember that every obstacle is a chance for growth and innovation. Treat each setback as a lesson, and continuously seek ways to improve your products, marketing strategies, and customer service. Building a brand that resonates with your target audience will elevate your dropshipping business in this bustling environment. Stay adaptable, keep experimenting, and your efforts will begin to yield results, blossoming into a rewarding online venture. Step 6. Analyze your performance. Once your store is up and running, regularly review your sales data and customer feedback. Utilize analytics tools to gain insights into what's working and what needs improvement, which will guide your future decisions. Step 7. Scale your business. As you gain traction, consider expanding your product line or entering new markets. Identify your best-selling items and explore complementary products that can enhance your offerings. This strategic growth approach will not only diversify your revenue streams but also establish your brand as a go-to source for customers. Step 8. Optimize your operations. Efficiency is key in the dropshipping business model. Streamline your order fulfillment process and establish systems for inventory management. Automate tasks where possible, such as using software to handle customer communications or inventory updates. This not only saves time but also minimizes errors, allowing you to focus on growth strategies. Additionally, maintaining organization in your workflows helps keep your operations running smoothly as you scale, enabling you to handle increased demand without compromising quality. By optimizing your operations, you lay a strong foundation for sustainable business development. Step 9. Keep learning. As the e-commerce landscape evolves, the need for ongoing education becomes apparent. Attend webinars and workshops to stay informed about the latest trends, emerging tools, and best practices in the dropshipping industry. Engaging with thought leaders and participating in relevant online forums will help broaden your understanding and foster connections within the business community. By staying proactive in your learning journey, you'll gain fresh perspectives and ideas that can be instrumental in refining your approaches, enhancing your business strategies, and ultimately driving your dropshipping venture towards lasting success. In this dynamic environment, knowledge truly becomes a powerful asset, empowering you to navigate challenges and seize new opportunities. Embrace curiosity, and commit to continuous improvement. The results will speak for themselves. Step 10. Build a strong brand identity. Your brand is more than just a logo. It encompasses your values, mission, and how you connect with your customers. Develop a unique voice and visual style that resonates with your target audience. Consistency across your website, social media, and promotional materials fosters recognition and trust. Engaging storytelling can further enhance your brand's appeal, allowing customers to relate to your journey and the products you offer. In a crowded market, a compelling brand identity can differentiate you and cultivate lasting relationships with consumers. Step 11. Foster customer relationships. Building lasting connections with your customers is crucial for sustained success. Personalize interactions by addressing customers by name and sending follow-up messages post-purchase. Encourage feedback and engage with them on social media to show that you value their opinions. Creating a loyalty program can also incentivize repeat purchases while enhancing customer retention. Step 12. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your products on social media. Create a dedicated hashtag for your brand to foster community engagement and showcase testimonials. Utilizing user-generated content not only enhances your brand's credibility but also provides authentic promotion at no additional cost. When potential customers see real people enjoying your products, it builds trust and encourages them to make a purchase. Remember to highlight this content on your website and social channels, as it can significantly enhance your marketing efforts and draw in new buyers. By fostering a supportive community around your brand, you not only enhance customer engagement but also cultivate a sense of belonging. Encourage your customers to share their stories and feedback, creating a space for open dialogue. This connection not only strengthens loyalty but also provides invaluable insights into customer preferences and desires. As you nurture these relationships, remember that communication is a two-way street. Actively listen to your customers and respond to their needs, which ultimately lays the groundwork for a thriving dropshipping enterprise. In this fast-paced environment, your ability to adapt and respond to feedback will define your business's longevity and success. By investing time in building a robust online presence, you establish trust and authenticity in the eyes of your customers. Utilize platforms like Instagram and Facebook not only for advertising but also to connect personally with your audience. Regularly share updates, behind-the-scenes content, and stories that reflect your brand values, which encourages a community feel around your business. Over time, as your message resonates with shoppers, you will turn one-time buyers into loyal advocates who help spread the word about your products. Never underestimate the impact of genuine engagement and storytelling. These are powerful tools in cultivating a memorable brand experience that resonates deeply with consumers. As your dropshipping business continues to grow, it's essential to keep innovating. Monitor emerging trends and adapt your product offerings accordingly to meet changing consumer demands. Explore collaborations with influential figures in your niche to expand your reach and credibility. By staying proactive and open to new ideas, you not only enhance your market visibility but also position yourself as a leader in the ever-evolving e-commerce landscape. Keep refining your strategies and remain committed to delivering exceptional value to your customers. This dedication will ultimately pave the way for enduring success in your entrepreneurial journey. Embrace the challenges ahead with confidence and remember, growth is a continuous process. Step 13. Stay resilient. Throughout your dropshipping journey, challenges will arise, but resilience is key. Embrace setbacks as lessons that can deepen your understanding of the market. Keeping a positive mindset and being adaptable to change will empower you to persist through tough times. Each hurdle can refine your strategies, teaching you to navigate the ever-shifting landscape with confidence and grace. Ultimately, resilience will become one of your greatest assets, allowing you to triumph in your entrepreneurial endeavors. As you conclude your dropshipping journey, remember that the path to success is built on perseverance, adaptability, and continuous learning. Each step taken brings you closer to realizing your business aspirations, proving that dedication and a proactive approach can yield remarkable rewards. Your entrepreneurial adventure has just begun, and the future is bright. Embrace it with enthusiasm.